2023 is gearing up for an exciting finale. E-commerce sales are going to skyrocket, reaching an incredible $260 billion in e-commerce sales. If you too want to take a bite of the billion-dollar pie, let's get the ball rolling. There's plenty of competition, so to give you a leg up, we've done the research, gathered the most significant sales dates, and created a timeline for you to follow. This means you can skip the research and planning process and dive right into the preparations. First up, Halloween. With over 60% of customers starting their Halloween shopping in September, you must act quickly. Ideally, you should finalize your designs by September 18th and launch products by September 25th. Next up, Singles Day on November 11th. With this holiday, you can target international audiences like China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and Germany. Unlike Halloween, this sale only lasts one day, so you should finalize your designs by October 29th, start the marketing activities by November 6th, and let the products go live on November 11th. As the name suggests, this day is all about celebrating people who aren't in a romantic relationship. So here are some ideas for your product designs and marketing. Incorporate themes like self-love, singledom, and the number 11. The second half of November kicks off the busiest time of the year for businesses, starting with Thanksgiving on Thursday, November 23rd. For this holiday, focus your designs on gratitude, family, and closeness. Make sure to finalize your product designs by October 11th so that by October 18th you can publish them on your store and start the marketing activities. Prepare your customers for the upcoming sales weekend by creating excitement and using the good old fear of missing out. Share sneak peeks of holiday collections and a look behind the scenes. Go the extra mile for loyal customers by running secret sales or offering free shipping. The more urgency you create, the sooner your customers will hurry to checkout. Black Friday will be here before you know it. During the Black Friday sales, you can promote winter holiday-themed products and tap into combined sales trends. This day falls on November 24th, and ideally, you should understand which products you want to put on sale by October 25th. Run your marketing activities from the 1st till the 24th of November. You can increase order value with bundle deals like buy one get one free and offer progressive discounts to nudge customers to buy your products. November 25th is dedicated to celebrating small businesses. Share your business's story, your contributions to the community, and the positive feedback you've received over the years to build trust with your audience. You can keep selling the same products you did during Black Friday while adding an even bigger discount. The same goes for the final shopping date in November, Cyber Monday. November 27th is like an extension to the big shopping weekend once people return to work. You can focus on Cyber Monday's high demand for tech products by promoting phone cases, laptop sleeves, and other tech-related accessories. Make sure to prepare for this day by October 25th. As you enter the year's final month, keep your customers cheerful and warm by participating in Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. December 15th is a fantastic date to sell fun and whimsical designs with a festive touch and an appealing discount. Ugly might not fit your brand. However, you can still participate by adding classy Christmas sweaters to your store. And as the cherry on top, let customers personalize their sweaters with their names. However you decide to embellish your sweaters, ensure your designs are finalized by October 16th and go live on November 1st. Once the first orders roll in, encourage your customers to share their Christmas sweaters on social media so others join in. Plus, you can later use the user-generated content as social proof. This is one of the most straightforward sales dates you can participate in, requiring minimal preparation. Free Shipping Day takes place on December 14th, and you can offer free shipping for specific products, gift bundles, or minimum order value so you don't lose profit on shipping costs. After the Free Shipping Day, we're nearing the end of the holiday season with the most wonderful time of the year. Last year, 56% of holiday shoppers started buying Christmas gifts in October, so the latest date you should finalize your designs by is October 25th and start marketing activities by November 1st. You can promote the collection and build momentum through your November sales dates. How to do that? By giving limited time offers and using countdowns and reminders so people don't miss the sales. Your goal should be encouraging people to make early purchases. That way, they'll get timely deliveries and you'll get fewer complaints. If you have customers in Australia, the UK, or Canada, you can finish this holiday season with a Boxing Day sale on December 26th. Encourage customers to treat themselves with after-holiday retail items or a long-awaited wish list item. Whew, that was quite a long list. Are you ready for the most profitable time of year? Let me know which holidays you'll be participating in the comments.